The Galaxy A72 is Samsung's new mid-range flagship. But can we really recommend buying an LTE-only phone in 2021? Find out in just 1 minute in our NextPit TLDR. The Galaxy A72 is a huge phone with its 6.7-inch display. But featuring a Super AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate really makes it perfect for your YouTube rabbit holes and binging series on Netflix. Only downside is that the refresh rate isn't adaptive. You need to switch between 90Hz and 60Hz manually every time. Mobile games also work really well on the Galaxy A72 thanks to the fairly new Snapdragon 720G, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. If you need 5G though, you should take a look at the Galaxy A52 5G. The A52 5G is missing one major camera advantage though. Samsung keeps the dedicated telecamera for the A72 and so picture quality is a bit better. Last but not least, two pros and cons to finish things up. Battery life is great because of a 5000 mAh battery, but charging takes quite long with its 25 watts quick charging. The A72 still scores 4 out of 5 stars in our full-length review. Still interested? You can find the full-length article on nextpit.com.